Hi everyone, here we've got a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down and find additional settings. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it to enter. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, then no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to actually enable the developer options, how to activate them. So let's check it and go back to this video. So if you are in the developer options, all you have to do is simply find this option, which is automatic system updates. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and from now on, since it is activated, your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the automatic system updates in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.